Hi everybody, happy Thursday. I'm back with a brand new book to share. And this book is Capybara. It's written by Lyrical Harper and it's published by Union. And we want to thank everybody for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, do you like capybaras? A lot of you do. I've been getting so many requests for books about capybaras. So, are you ready to find out what this book is all about? Let's get started.
They're also called swamp rats.
Wow, I am really impressed that you know that. But yes, you are correct. Yes, so you are one of the fans of capybaras.
Oh, I love capybaras.
And you would be absolutely checking out a book about capybaras.
Yeah, I would.
And what do we see here on these end pages? What does this look like? Does this look like lily pads or something you'd see on water? What do you think? Capybara. Capybara. Little beauty, such a cutie. Yay for capybara. Ear, eye, nose. Tippy, tappy, toes. Crunch, munch, crunch, munch. Crunch, munch. Leafy lunch. Extra yummy, filled up tummy. Comfy capybara. Thirsty tongue, burning sun. Steamy, sweaty, not so fun. Too hot capybara. Cool off with a river dash. Just like yours, just like your capybara. Now a floppy super splash. Drippy, droopy, bird is wet. Squeaky, squawky, and upset. Uh-oh, capybara. He does not look happy to have gotten splashed that hard. I know people that don't like getting splashed. Sorry, sorry for the dash. Extra sorry for the splash. Promise, promise, nose to beak. No more splashing for a week. Tip-tap, pedal-paddle, swoosh and glide. Friends cross the river to the other side. Big breath in, dive and swim, bubble, bubble, double, bubble. Loves the water, doesn't he? Wormy, struggle. Meanwhile, birds over there are getting worms. Uh-oh, scary trouble. What do we see here? So here's capybara, here's the bird, and what is coming? An alligator? What now, capybara? What should he do? What would you do? All at once, in a flash. A giant capybara splash! Broken promise. Flies up high, looking down, now sees why. Capybara saved him. Bird is drippy and all wet, but more thankful than upset. See you later, bitey gator. Brand new promise, just us two. Friends forever, me and you. Hop, plop, land on top. Yay for capybara. The end. So, what did you think about this book? If you love capybaras, Kevin McCloskey A local author will be at the main branch on Wednesday, August 5th at 3 o'clock, and he'll be sharing that book about capybaras. We'll have copies of that book for all our program attendees, so we hope to see you there. For more details and more information, visit readingpubliclibrary.org and you can find out more. I will be back next week with more brand new books to share. So until then, come in and visit me, come in and check out this book, and keep tracking those reading and activities.